Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can possibly fix the issue with the AO Smith when you can have the E02 error. So it's an error when the water heater senses the water is too hot and shuts off as a safety mechanism. So what you want to do is you want to might be at the temperature is set to high. So the simplest fix might be the temperature is set to high, and you want to try to reset the heater and lowering the temperature setting to see if the error resolves. To reset the heater, what you can try to do is maybe gonna like open the part of it or just press off the circuit breaker. Just wait for, I don't know, 10-15 minutes for the water heater and turn the circuit breaker on. And then also thermostat might be incorrectly sensing that water is too hot, and check for wiring issues and constantly repairing or replacing the thermostat if necessary. So that's pretty much it. Try it out. Just turn the circuit breaker off, wait 15-20 minutes, and then turn it back on if the issue is going to persist or no. So have a great day and goodbye.